Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today I got some great stories for y'all about Crypto.com and FTX and some of the awesome progress they've been making in some of the acquisitions, some of the deals, a big one from FTX today that we're going to talk about. Also, I'm going to make sure I communicate to you guys exactly how we are feeling about the crypto market right now. Is the crypto winter actually over, or could we expect to see, us kind of hit a ceiling and come back down? If so, what do both of those price points look like? We will chat about that in today's video and more. If you haven't done so already, smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. I got 3 videos coming at you guys every day, 1 long video, 2 shorts. I'm going to keep you guys up to date with our thoughts on crypto. Also, I am offering some free money to Femex. Hit the link in the description down below. If you guys want to open up a trade for Bitcoin or Ethereum or trade some crypto, go to Femex. There's $4,100 there for you when you sign up using our referral code down below. So check that one out. Without further ado, let's look at these red hot crypto markets for the day. A beautiful, beautiful day for crypto with a market cap of $1.16 trillion and a Bitcoin dominance of 40% and a whopping huge ETH dominance of 20% right now. Very, very exciting for Ethereum. When you look at the price, we are just under $2,000 Ethereum, and it's pretty darn exciting. I do believe that there's a chance that this weekend we could see Ethereum go through and break into the $2,000 range again. But let's just check it out real quick. So recently, FTX has actually been had a bigger market cap than Crypto.com. But Cronos is gaining ground on it again, just up 6% over the last 7 days. Well, FTX is up 2%. Love both of these projects. And of course, Binance, when you're looking at crypto and you're trying to buy some cryptos, you buy Bitcoin, you buy Ethereum, and then you want exposure to some of the different segments of the market, whether it's exchanges, whether you're talking about metaverse plays, whether you're talking about meme tokens. I really like the exchanges because that's where everybody's got to go to buy the things, right? Also, there's a lot of great products that come with these exchanges, and you can visibly see some of the dealings that these companies have going on to kind of get an idea of the value of these projects. For example, FTX, which is currently ranked at number 24 in market cap. Sam Bankman-Fried, he is the CEO of FTX, and according to this CoinDesk article, Sam Bankman-Fried and son, the owner of Huobi Global, is actually in negotiations for a potential acquisition, which would be huge. This would actually be one of the biggest deals in crypto history. This company, Huobi Global, is currently valued at $3 billion. It could spark a deal, according to this article, fetch upward of $1 billion, which would be insane. One of the largest deals, not only in crypto, but of all time. Absolutely massive deal. So, guys, this is big, big news. I mean, Huobi is a big exchange, and for them to sell, it's going to give FTX a lot of traction in the space, going to bring a lot of users from Huobi over to FTX. That's one way to grow. I mean, you've seen Binance and Crypto.com lately have been growing on account of the advertising. FTX, it seems like instead of doing as much advertising, and granted, they're doing a lot of advertising too, they're also tackling some very public, very big acquisitions to kind of gain more speed in the industry. And this just shows you how legit this is. This is big money. These are big companies, and they're very successful. It also shows here in this CoinDesk article that they've made a lot of offers. Japanese exchange Liquid, Canadian trading platform BitVo. That was 2 months after the Liquid acquisition. And they're looking at buying BlockFi for up to $240 million. Add up that $1 billion deal for Huobi, and wow, oh boy, look at this company go. Sam Bankman-Fried absolutely killing it in the crypto space. Just showing you, in general, these exchange tokens are strong, guys. They're very, very strong projects. So, crypto is now being considered, according to CNBC, an asset that every investor should have in their portfolio, must have in their portfolio. Institutional adoption is here, guys, and here is the headline on what they had on CNBC today. Crypto winter warms up. Is this crypto winter over? Well, I believe that there is a chance. I am still instinctually wired to say that I believe the crypto market shouldn't truly be really, really bullish, like a full-on bull market. until about 2024, 2025. But of course, if that comes beforehand, I can't complain. Now, I'll say this. I have predicted that a $30,000 Bitcoin could be in the cards here for the month of August, and then I did anticipate a bearish September. Let's see if that holds. It's feeling really bullish right now, and it's just so bullish that if you can feel the FOMO tingling in your fingertips. Now, guys, don't FOMO. We want a dollar cost average, and we want to hodl, but you can kind of start to feel that. And there's some metrics you can look at to anticipate, is there really FOMO going on? Well, yeah, I mean, last week we were at 31 on the Fear and Greed Index, and now last month we were at 18 on the Fear and Greed Index, and now we're only at 46, so we're really warming up, and this winter, instead of cooling off more, is heating up, and, FOMO's kicking in. We're almost to the green. Once we get into the green, then greed is kind of happening. If you see green on the Fear and Greed Index, then people are getting greedy. If you see red, then people are running, and that's when you should be buying the most. But, great opportunity for DCing, of course. So, really cool article here to see this excitement going on CNBC. So, the public, the mainstream's kind of heating up again on crypto, which is great. What does this mean for Crypto.com? Well, Crypto.com's been expanding too. They just expanded into South Korea with 2 new acquisitions we covered in some recent videos. So, it ain't only FTX, it's Crypto.com too. And Crypto.com has the largest user growth rate. Binance has the most users, and FTX is trying to catch up. Or if you guys know how many users are on FTX, please let me know. I've been trying to find that. I saw like a couple million, but you're talking about a 50 million user base for Crypto.com and 90 million users for Binance, and FTX ain't even touching that, not even with a 10-foot pole. So all these exchanges are great, and even Huobi is great, but they're looking to get bought out. Very possible. I think it's very probable at this point. So big stories going on here in crypto, and pretty exciting stuff. Also, one of the biggest stories of the week, and I wanted to save this for you, BlackRock. BlackRock launched a private trust to give their clients exposure to spot Bitcoin. And this is not the same story as the other day where they partnered with Coinbase. So not only did BlackRock last week partner up with Coinbase and offer Bitcoin investing strategies to their clients through Aladdin, which has up to exposure of $10 trillion in assets, maybe even $20 trillion in assets. BlackRock has about 10 trillion, I believe. Aladdin has about 20 trillion. That, if you get 1% out of that, what that'll do to the crypto markets is out of control. And keep in mind, BlackRock sets the example for the rest of the institutions across, not only the United States, but the globe. So this could break the levee and cause a flood into crypto. If BlackRock puts 1% in and all the companies in the S&P 500 put 1% in, all of a sudden Bitcoin, good luck ever buying a full Bitcoin on your own, basically. I mean, we're talking about $200,000, $500,000, $1 million Bitcoin if the levee actually breaks and BlackRock causes an avalanche of investors. Now, the reality is that is actually possible. And the reason why is because once these large companies start getting involved, it's a game of these institutions don't want to be last to the table, because if you ain't first, you're last. And BlackRock is one of the biggest first movers that's coming out here publicly and getting going. Of course, you had Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust, and MicroStrategies, but BlackRock is on a whole new level. BlackRock owns, for example, I think 17% of MicroStrategies. So we're talking a whole new beast here, and this could trigger, the banks to start buying in, and other. Actually, I believe Charles Schwab recently launched another product for Bitcoin as well. So we're right on the doorstep, guys. I mean, these articles are getting more and more bullish. I do think that a price prediction for Bitcoin of $30,000 is very possible. And when we're talking about these beloved exchange tokens of ours, and we're looking at Crypto.com, the acquisitions are happening. FTX is doing it too. Look at all these companies that they have acquired here. And when we see these prices, I mean, Cronos is only at a $3.94 billion market cap versus Binance's $52 billion market cap, a 10x to match the market cap of Binance. Actually, it'd be like a 13x, I think, to match the market cap of Binance. So it's got a lot of ground to catch up, but with the user growth that Crypto.com is having, it's happening. Look at the acquisitions of FTX. These exchange tokens are looking really, really nice right now, and I'm getting more and more excited. I think we're going to have a bullish weekend, folks. Happy Friday. That's all I got today. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, take advantage of that money in the link down below. That's all I got, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. As always, you cannot forget, you got a DCA HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.